What is the best place for you to post your Amazon deal online to get even more sales and thus launch your product or liquidate stock if you're looking for? In this video, I'm going to show you what to do, what sites to use if you're selling on Amazon.com or on Amazon.com.au. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you build your own business selling things online, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I post new content all about helping you build your business online right here in Australia. All right, so let's get into it. So what is the best place to post a deal for your Amazon business? So one of the ways that we use deals is when it comes to launching your product, or if you've got to liquidate your product or something like that, or you just want to make some more sales. but typically that's going to be used in a launch phase, okay? The deal sites are really, really good for that. In Australia, OzBargains is where you want to be. OzBargains really, very, very good at getting you a lot of sales. Obviously, you've got to put a deal together for that, but OzBargain is the go. All right, I'm going to show you now how to go about finding other good deal sites, and let me introduce you to SimilarWeb. You might want to write that down. Write that down. You want to write that down. SimilarWeb.com. It's free for what we need, and it's really friggin' awesome. Anyway, so SimilarWeb. If we scroll down, this is Amazon.com, and it starts to give us heaps and heaps of really useful information about what people do before they get to Amazon, okay, which is the interesting thing for us to know about. So on referrals, which is where people start their journey before they end up on Amazon, we scroll down and we can see that the deal site slickdeals.net is the biggest referrer of deal-based traffic. It's actually the biggest referrer over and above Prime or Amazon owned properties. So Audible is owned by Amazon, Prime Video obviously owned by Amazon, so they come number 3, which is pretty freaking fantastic. Anyway, slickdeals.net is where you want to be, okay? You can do that same thing for all things. So if I come back up here to the URL where it says amazon.com, if I change that to .co.uk, I can go and look at the POMs and go and look what's going on amazon.co.uk, and I can put together the same thing, and I can get a sense of what's happening on amazon.co.uk when it comes to referring sites as well. And when I do that, I can see that Hot Deals UK is where I should be advertising if I want to make more sales on the UK, okay? I've done this already for Amazon.com. It is OzBargains in Australia, so you want to go there. Really, really good, okay? So that's level 1. Level 2 of that is to actually take a look at, well, let me show you how I got that. So let's just go back. Let's go back in time. I need a swear jar. Good idea, Tone. Tony Hewitt says, I need a swear jar. Bastard. Trust him. So if I click on to Slick Deals, what that's going to do now, it's going to give me that same information that I just had all about Amazon, but it's going to give me the same information about Slick Deals. Now, if you're thinking, you might think to yourself, holy shit, I could use that for other websites and I can discover their traffic sources. Well, of course you can. Now you're thinking. Anyway, so let's think about Slick Deals, and let's think about what that is. So Slick Deals, let me move that piece of shit out of the way, is in the category of e-commerce and shopping for coupons, okay? So if I click onto that, just here, look. If I click onto that, I come to this page here, which is coupons and rebates in the United States, and now I can see what other deal sites I could try in the US of A. So I've got Slick Deals in number 1, we knew that already, but then I've got Rakuten as well. I could go try that next. Then I've got Groupon, Capital One Shopping, and Retail Me Not. So now I've got 5, count them, I know you won't, deal sites I can go and check out and see if I can sell my stuff. But it doesn't stop there, because I can also do that in other places as well. So if I want to go to Australia, I can see what the biggest sites are in Australia, and then I can go and check out some other deal sites too. So we've got Oz Bargains, Click Frenzy, Flybuys, maybe that's not the way, Oz Sales, and Groupon. I could tell you a very interesting story about Groupon, but I'd have to kill you all if I did, and that's definitely going to require red wine anyway. So that's it. That's how you use the deal websites, and that's how you find more of the deal websites. And you ought to be thinking to yourself, what else can I do with this lovely, lovely website? How else can I use it? And that would be a great thing for you to think about as well. Okay. That was a video from my regular Monday night open Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members and counting. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia, and our members have got sales of over $50 million online. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, you can get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.